Good morning, Amalvi. Amalvi. This is my first YouTube live ever in the history of me. So good. इसको थोड़ा सा टिल्ट कर दो, ऐसे टिल्ट कर दो, नीचे की तरफ. बस, perfect. Thank you very much. अमलवी कैसे पता चलेगा कि इन लोगों को सबको सुनाई दे रही है? ऐसे कर दो, ऐसे मतलब वेव भेज दो या कुछ भी तो पता चल जाएगा. Amalvi. How many of you are excited for the Omatrix upgrade? ऐसे करके बताओ मुझे. मुझे मेरे बैग में एक रबर बैंड होगा वो that my hair. I also want to get rid of this before I start the live. ये लो. Yes. Now it is more me. भाई साहब वेदर इज सो वेदरिंग कि पता नहीं चल रहा गर्मी हो रही है ठंड पड़ रही है कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. नाउ दिस इज फाइन. अब हम तैयार हैं अब मैट्रिक्स का लाइव शेयर करने के लिए सब लोगों से. इतने सब लोग एक्साइटेड है मैट्रिक्स के लाइव के लिए. वेरी वेरी गुड. ओके सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट ऑन टू द लाइव आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट अ प्रेयर which is very important for us to start. So please you can type in later. Take a moment, take a deep breath, hold your matrix. Center yourself. Think about all the good things that happened ever since Omatrix came into your life, and all the bad things that also happened because Omatrix came into your life, because it was clearing something that you couldn't. Universal Father, Mother, God, we gather here today to receive an upgrade to this beautiful ancient code called Matrix. Today, Omatrix rises into its next frequency. May every code sharpen, every blessing deepen, and every seeker of a matrix receive more than they have asked for. What was helpful, let it now become transformative. What was good, let it now become extraordinary. What was light, let it now become brilliance. I activate this upgrade with clarity, intention, and truth. Let Omatrix remember its higher purpose, and let every soul that carries it feel the new power awaken within them. The path will now expand, the grid will now strengthen, and the codes will elevate. As I say, so it is. Okay, take a deep breath, come back to this. Amalvi, I think this is so much more comfortable. The screen is so big, um, more than the Instagram live. I think this is like really comfy. Super duper excited. Yes, I'm also super duper excited about it. I hope you have got your Omatrix with you. All of you have your pendants, no matter they are bronze, silver, or gold. It does not matter. Or teary eyes. Amalvi, thanks, Master. I am from Lemuria and happy to receive this. So wonderful. I think so many of us are from Lemuria. When I got to know that I am from Lemuria, I didn't even know the name of Lemuria as a planet. Sorry, as a civilization. And I got these visions and things like I have gone through a very strong journey with my masters where I've seen 22 of my past lives and Lemuria being the first one of them. And that is how I got into spirituality, and I started learning about things, and I started knowing about, what my purpose is and how my purpose has been distributed amongst all the lives that I have lived, out of which only 22 have I seen in person and logged. And so, yes, so many of us could be from Lemuria, Atlantis, any of the ancient civilization. We can all be intergalactic souls. We can just be star seeds from different galaxies coming together and being in this multiverse. There can be so many magical things happening to us, and here we are still trying to figure out our life on an everyday, day to day basis, and not acknowledging the fact that we are spirit and we have this short experience as a human, and it's not the other way around. It's not like you are a human and you have a spiritual experience in your life. It's like you are a spiritual being and you're having a human experience for a really short while. How do I know, Master, where do I come from? You have to come through a series of past life regressions. I think it took me around 3 years to identify my 22 lives, and it's a serious investment that you make in your body, in your mind, in your soul. It's a serious investment when it comes to spending. But I always like to spend on my self growth and my understanding. So yes, that was my call. Will this life be saved? Yes. Yes. I'm so happy today. You have really helped me a lot. A matrix experience has been beautiful. Thank you very much. Master, just seeing you makes me really happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Ma'am, I have the gold Omatrix bar. Yes, but the upgrade is only for the pendant. It is not there for the coin or the bar or the stickers. So, because pendant is the original format of Omatrix, everything else has the light codes of Omatrix, but they are not Omatrix themselves. It's like if you put, कैसे example दूँ? If you put rajma in a dal makhni, it doesn't change. It doesn't become a rajma. It's still a dal makhni. So I cannot come up with a more stupid example, but I think that is the most simpler one that I can give. A Malvi from Uti. Oh wow, such a beautiful place that is. Master, please suggest a series of books to read and understand this journey. There's so many of them, and I don't think I can. I already have recommended multiple books, on my Instagram page. Man, I lost my father last month after I received the matrix. I'm sure there would be much more going on before you receive the matrix also. How the update will be done, Master? The update will be, I'll be teaching you and you all will be doing the upgrade for your matrix. If you just want to listen right now, you can listen to the upgrade right now, and then you can go back, revisit the live, do it when you feel like doing it. um, Thank you so much, Master, for this. Master, I lost my moissanite earrings. Oh my god, what to do में तो मैं क्या बताऊं. अगर वो चले गए हैं कहीं तो दोबारा ले लो. You are the cutest, Master. Thank you, Nupur. Master, I don't have a matrix. Can I still hear this? Is it helpful? Any information I believe is always helpful. You would learn something or the other from this. So, yes. All right. So, we are going to start the download. It'll just take you 5 minutes to do it. But you all have to be very centered. Drop all your worries. Don't think about, wherever your mind is going at the moment. If you want to close your eyes to center yourself, do that. Take a moment. You will have all the time to write to me later. I'm here, not missing any of the comments. But for this little while, just for the next 5 to 7 minutes, just stay in the moment. So there is a key for a matrix which is called Larin, Larin. It is the key that unlocks the power of a matrix. And every time we have to upgrade the matrix, we have to use Larin as a key. It's like you have the hardware of a matrix, but then you also have year long software upgrades to it. And because it is an energy product, the all the upgrades are also energetic. So the first thing that you need to do is hold your matrix in your left hand. With your right hand, draw a circle of light around it. You can visualize the color of light, whatever is coming to you. It can be blue, green, pink, white, yellow, orange. Just visualize and bask your matrix into the circle of light. Then hold the matrix like this in between your index finger and your thumb and speak with the power of Laren. I unlock my matrix. And the activation code that has come in this time for a matrix is called Lanum. Like if you see that the matrix has these five words written on them, the sixth word that is formed out of these five words is called Lanum. And Lanum means rapid destiny shift. That is something that was missing from the matrix. It had the health code, the relationship code, the wealth code, the divine purpose code, and the divine blessing code. But what it did not have was the destiny code, which is what has been incorporated when I do this, when I tell you. So, Lanum has to be incorporated in this matrix. And it is about clarity with courage, it is about changing your destiny, it is about thinking about how you want to progress and make a shift in where you feel. Because Omatrix says, and everyone who says that destiny is never pre-written. We choose it, we manifest it every single day with every decision that we make, with every choice that we make in our life. So this is what the Omatrix upgrade is going to look like. If you will see that the word Lanum has all the letters from the existing letters here. What you need to do is when I say L, you put your index finger on L like this. And then close your eyes and visualize a golden light coming from the heart of the universe, traveling down your arm and reaching the word, the letter L on the matrix. And you can choose any L because Samul also has L and Lumas also has L. So you can choose whichever one. And the word that we are incorporating into the matrix is called Lanum, Lanum. Once you've put that golden light into the letter L, then with the index finger, touch your third eye and activate that same code in your third eye by seeping in the golden light that is coming through your index finger. Now, the same thing you have to do for A. So you can choose any A. I'm choosing the A of Unira. Visualize the golden light coming through your arm, getting into your index finger, and activating the A on your matrix. Again, taking the letter to your third eye with the golden light, absorbing it in. How do you absorb that in? As if you're sucking that light from your finger into your third eye. And then you activate N, and I'm activating the N of Arenu. Again, the golden light coming from your hand into the letter N. Once you feel that the N letter has absorbed a lot of golden light, then you take it to your third eye and imprint the letter N and the golden light into your third eye. And then you find the letter U. Again, I'm finding it with Arenu. the letter U, activate it with the golden light again, coming through your arm, going into your index finger, and going into the letter U, energizing, activating, and charging the letter. Then coming back to your third eye. And for the final one, you take the M. I'm taking the M of Samul. Take a deep breath. Finally, take the letter M to your third eye. Now that you've activated the code onto your matrix and in your third eye, take it to your heart chakra and press it in your sternum like this with your first two fingers and take 11 deep breaths, like really deep. Fill up your stomach, fill up your lungs, as if you're absorbing all the magic that is just being created. You will be getting a lot of visions, a lot of thoughts during this time. Immediately after this live, you can sit down and journal all those thoughts. And now just hold your matrix in your hand and just say a small prayer. Say your next goal. Say what all you want the help with. You can also speak to your matrix like this because you're encapsulating your breath, and your breath has the life force energy. So you can also do it like this, but you can also speak it out loud. It just depends on how you feel more comfortable. Your next goal, your next thought process, your next vision, your next accomplishment. Tell the O matrix that you're ready to shift your destiny. And whenever you feel that your destiny is stuck and you are in a repeated pattern, now the new code that has been activated can help you shift that destiny. But let me remind you, when you ask for a destiny shift, it is going to be a tough one coming your way. Destiny shift is never easy. So if you think that, if I'm going to say I have no money in my life and I want to shift my destiny towards it, so don't think that someone's going to come and give you a bora of money outside your house. The universe is going to put you through a test of various opportunities and see how much are you present into doing that and how much hard work are you willing to put. It's like when you ask for patience, the universe doesn't give you patience. The universe gives you challenges to understand patience. When you ask for courage, you are at war because war teaches you courage. When you ask for money, you are at losses first. And out of losses, you understand and you begin how to make money for yourself. When you ask for good relationships, you go through sorrow, you go through pain, you go through betrayal. And that is when you value the good relationships because light cannot and does not exist without darkness. So it's like imagining to have a mountain without a valley. None of them will be purposeful, right? So when we ask for one thing, the other comes with it. It is the universe wants to see how do you handle the bad part so that you can enjoy the good part. So this was the upgrade for Omatrix. After this, you can leave it in your temple for a little while and wear it again. Just let the Omatrix absorb the new code that has been there. If you think that you made a mistake or you missed a step, you can always do it again. There is no harm, no foul done, and you can do it. This once you do the upgrade, you don't have to ever do it again. Master, are you loving your new office? Yes, I'm still settling in. We are still like some of the things are all over the place right now, but yes. And day after I leave for Diwali, can you leave for Dubai? एक ही बात है. For Dubai. And yes, I'm yawning. Is this okay, or I have not been involved properly? Yawning is just a body's response when you do a lot of energy work. A lot of people say that they meditate and they yawn, and whenever they sit with their emotions, they yawn. Whenever they want to read a book, they yawn, because your mind is activating the soul dimension. And because you're not so used to being in your soul dimension, your physical body gets tired of exercising it. It's a very simple response of the body to tell you that I'm not used to this energy. The more you practice it, the better you're going to get at it. Will it be on your page today's live? Yes. How many times can we do the upgrade? You just have to do it once if you do it right. Master, I couldn't vision the golden light. Then you'll have to practice a little bit more, because visualizing a golden light or visualizing any kind of light takes a certain amount of practice. So, but if you do it 4 to 5 times, you will be able to see it. It's not that hard that आएगा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Yes, received. Thank you very much. Can we do this after live? Absolutely. You can do this today, tomorrow, after a month, whenever. And the people who are going to buy the Omatrix also, they can do this upgrade after they receive the Omatrix, and then they can wear it also, because I will not be able to upgrade it for you guys here. But you will be getting the normal Omatrix that was there before the upgrade, and then you can visit this video and you can upgrade it for yourself. I am a bearer of bronze or matrix, and whenever I wear, I get some allergic reaction. Can I put it in my purse instead? Absolutely. A lot of people have got to know that they were allergic to bronze. They have upgraded their Omatrix. They've bought a new silver one or a gold one after that. But if you cannot buy a silver or a gold, then you can use it in your wallet. Though the Omatrix works profoundly when you wear it, but for the lack of resources, you can always put it in your bag. I lost my job after wearing the Omatrix. Is there a reason to that? Absolutely. Maybe you were always never happy in that job, and Omatrix figured it out that you really don't want to do it, and it wants you to push towards your purpose of life. And that is one of the codes of Omatrix. I will do this for Amira as well. Yes, absolutely. If your children are wearing Omatrix, you can do the same thing for them if they are not able to do it for themselves. After practicing vision, can I perform this ritual again? Absolutely, you can. मास्टर बर्थडे ऑफर. बर्थडे ऑफर में वो मैट्रिक्स देते हैं ना, बहुत खुशी की बात है. डू वी नीड टू अपग्रेड द ओमेट्रिक्स कॉइन? You can. There is no harm and foul done. If you have a gold bar or an Omatrix coin, you can always do this ritual. There is nothing wrong that is there. But the original Omatrix code has come for the pendant. I haven't finished my Omatrix activation. Yes, can I do both the rituals together? Absolutely, you can. Can we give it to children, the silver one, if we buy a gold one? Yes, absolutely. Omatrix does not need much cleansing. You just have to wash it through water for 3 times and just tap it with your first 2 fingers, saying, I release my existing energy from the Omatrix. It's like if this is how you have your Omatrix. If this is your matrix and you want to give it to your children, just wash it with water for 30 seconds, hold it in your hand and tap and say, I release my existing energy from the matrix, and it is ready to receive the new energy. Just say this and you can give it to anybody that you want to work with or you want to give the matrix to. Master, losing the moissanite earrings, does it mean anything? Not really, because moissanite is not one of those stones that will lose itself to give you a message. It just looks like something that you were not very careful about. Master, please tell a book that we can read for understanding spirituality. Uh, I think Laws of the Spirit World is one. Then Real Magic is another one. Untethered Soul is the third one. Carl Sagan, you can read Carl Sagan. You can read the Vex King's book, Healing is the New High. That's a new book that has come in. That's very good. What can be gifted to my mother for optimal good health? You can definitely buy a good health bracelet. We all have it. Whenever I apply MVK oil, my heart is heavy and full of sadness. Yes, because Blue Lotus has a fragrance of that MVK oil. is very, very strengthening, you know. And the moment you put it on your third eye or on your throat chakra or on your temples, you know, here or on your or on your hands, it really brings out the hidden emotions in you. Now, if the hidden emotion is jealousy, if the hidden emotion is anger, if the hidden emotion is sadness, it will come out, because that is how you will notice that emotion that you have been putting under the carpet. And that's the purpose of that oil, because it purifies you from within. That is the purpose of blue lotus. You know, when you say blue lotus, it is found in a pond which is full of dirt and mud, and still beautifully it grows. And that's the message the blue lotus oil brings for you, that no matter how dirty the surroundings around you are, how messy, how sticky your emotions feel, but you can still grow out of them the moment you visualize and you see that, oh, these are the emotions that I'm struggling with. The oil collection that we have is not just any other aromatherapy oils. They are very, very carefully light coded to bring out what they say. So if you wear the spirituality oil, you it's not like you will have spiritual thoughts. You will become the spiritual being. You will activate that spiritual dimension in you. If you say a no negativity oil, it's not like all the negativity from your life will vanish. You will be able to handle the negative situations better. So when someone approaches you with negativity, you will be like, okay, there's a boundary, there's a wall that I have between you and me, and nothing gets to me. So I am not carrying your sticky energy with me. Because when we carry the sticky energy from for different people, we are the ones who need cleansing. They dump it on us and we leave, and then we need cleansing. But what if we don't take it at all? That precaution is something that is always there. So those oils, all of them are very, very carefully crafted, and if you are using them, I can vouch for it that they are so blissful. My mother and father have severe health issues. What should I give to? Just place a black tourmaline in their room. Maybe a sphere or a not the tumbles, the sphere or the tower, and I think that should do help them. Master, if I upgrade my brass or make it to silver, then can I keep the older one in my wallet? Absolutely, you can. You can also put it in your temple if you want. And you can code it for the house, that just change the energy of the house. So yeah, that can also happen. I didn't wear a matrix after receiving it. Is it okay? No, it's not okay. Books on feng shui. I don't think that there have been very many books written on feng shui, because the books that I have read on feng shui, they're very, very basic. They're just explaining the nine flying stars, the period nine, and things like that. But they're just very, very simple. But I'm planning to do a series on the feng shui, because the feng shui new year happens to be on the 17th of February. So we're going to start from 1st of January, starting to talk about feng shui. It is the year of fire horse, and it is also happening in the period 9. So period 9 itself is a period of 20 years of fire energy. So before this, we were in the energy of the earth for the last 20 years, which was from 2004 to 2024. From 2025, the period 9 of feng shui has begun. It's going to go for another 20 years. And after the earth comes the fire, which means that earth gave us stability, grounding, all the things that did not work for us, they were taken away from us. But now, because we're in the fire element and this is the year of fire horse, there can be so much growth for everyone. So much growth that I cannot tell you, for countries, for people, for civilizations, for cultures, for businesses, for everyone. There is unsurmountable growth. The only thing that each of the zodiac needs to take care of are a couple of things that I will explain in the video one by one, what the ox needs to do, what the rat needs to do. And we're also going to be putting up a calculator on the website, which is vanikabstudio.com, where you can just type in and see which zodiac sign you are, just to be sure of before we get into the feng shui month. Master, please share more information on Lemuria and Evrendu. My favorite topics. इस पर तो 6 घंटे निकल जाएंगे लाइफ पे, फिर हम क्या करेंगे? इसके बाद मेरे कॉल्स भी हैं. Okay, in 5 minutes, if I have to tell you. So first Lemuria happened to me, and then Evrendu came in 2022.
When Evrenru came in 2022, and because I was actively channeling at that time, so a lot of things were coming in, and I thought it's just one of those things. I didn't know back then that Evrenru is going to be such a beautiful system of understanding yourself and connecting yourself to the source. When we go to religion, they don't connect us to the source directly. They always say these are the things that you need to do, these are the rituals that need to be done, these are the people that you need to go through, but they don't acknowledge the particle of that. They don't acknowledge the god particle, they don't acknowledge the universe particle in you. You are the universe in motion. It is just as simple as that. And this whole charade of destiny being a certain way, that you're going to suffer because it's written in your fate. No, there is nothing written in your fate. There is no Chitragupta sitting anywhere with a big book writing your destiny every day and then, sending it out to generations. It's not happening. What happened with your ancestors is something that they chose. What is happening with you is something that you chose. And when we say that we have an ancestral blockage, it's because those choices clashed with each other. They didn't know what to do, and you didn't know what to do, and you both clashed at a certain point, whether it was money, health, religion, children, whatever. And that is when you come to an energy healer, they align that energy. Things are very, very, very simple. They're not as complicated. When you wake up in the morning, you have a choice to script your day. How would you want your day to be? Because if you don't choose the way that your day has to be, then the universe and your past experiences that you've had up until now will decide how your day has to be. But if you get up and say, no, I don't want this experience again, then that experience will shift. We have all been fooled into knowing that we are not powerful enough. But let me tell you this, you are the most powerful version of all your ancestors put together. Your ancestors wanted to be you. They wanted to have this life. They wanted to live so freely. They wanted to have the money that you have. They wanted to have the job that you have. They wanted to have the life that you have. And you are the sum total of all their blessings. But with the dark comes the light, and with the light comes the dark. With their blessings also come their hardships, the things that they were not able to understand back then. And because you are the more powerful version of them, they come to you so that you understand and close that matter for your entire generation. I hope I made sense. I have already started to feel slightly heavy in the head, but it always happens after a spiritual download. Always, always. Anything spiritual, because you're not doing anything spiritual every day. Like I channel for the whole day. Like my capacity, when I started channeling, I couldn't even hold up 5 minutes of channeling. But now I can hold up for 3 days and 5 days of channeling also constantly, and I can still go around doing my work, without even like sitting in a corner and doing the channeling. If a channeling is happening, I know the channeling is happening. My energy is a bit low. I'm not completely myself, but still I can go ahead and do all the jobs. Similarly, you need to devote time, energy, effort into spiritual practices so that your body becomes used to handling that energy. All right, I'm gonna go. I have calls in the next 10 minutes, and lots and lots of love. Please visit this live again. And if there are any questions that you have, you can always DM me and the team, and they will help you out with it. Although I have made things absolutely clear here, I don't think you will have questions. And all my love to all of you. अच्छा आजकल नया स्टाइल आ गया ना लव का एक से ओके टाटास इसको कैसे बंद करना है फिर वो गायब नहीं हो जाए यहाँ से आ जाओ इधर एंड स्ट्रीम कर दूं